Class 12th, subject mathematics. Mathematics. Topic: differential calculus. In previous class, you read some formulae of differentiation. Now, in this class, we derived some formulae of differential calculus. First number, the symbol of derivation is d upon dx. Then formulae: d upon dx x की power n equal to n x n minus 1. Second number, d upon dx x equal to 1 and d upon dx c equal to 0, d upon dx p equal to 0, but d upon dx e की power x equal to, but d upon dx y equal to dy upon dx. Next formula, d upon dx sin x equal to cos x, d upon dx cos x equal to minus sin x, d upon dx tan x equal to sec square x, d upon dx sec x into tan x, d upon dx cot x minus cosec square x, d upon dx cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Next, d upon dx e की power x, d upon dx a की power x equal to a की power x log e a, d upon dx log base e x equal to 1 upon x. d upon dx log ax 1 upon x log ae. These are formulae of derivation. Example first. We solve some example. First of all, we solve some example. Example first. Differentiate x power 6. Solution. Given function x power 6, differential with respect to x, differential with respect to x, then d upon dx x power 6. Here x power 6, then formula, then use of formula d upon dx x power n x n minus 1 n x power n minus 1 6x 6 minus 1 6x power 5. Next example 2. Differentiate seven x power 6 minus 3x plus 4. Solution. Given function seven x की power 6 minus 3x plus 4, differential with respect to x, then seven d upon dx x power 6 minus 3 d upon dx x plus d upon dx 4. 7 into x power n. Here use a formula x power n. Then n x n minus 1 minus 3. Differentiate of x equal to 1 plus differentiation of 4 equal to 0. 42 multiplied by 7 into 6. 42 x power 5 minus 3. That answer. एक्सरसाइज 3B, एक्सरसाइज 1A, sorry 3B not 1A. Question number first, ask differentiate find the derivation differentiate of following function. First question number, x power n, x power 5. Question number first, x power 5, derivative of x power 5. Then differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx, x power 5, then 5x 5 minus 1. Here use of formula d upon dx, x power n, then n x n minus 1. Question number second, 3 upon x power 3. First of all, we solve 3 upon x cube. Then 3 into x power minus 3. Differential with respect to x. 3 d upon dx, x power minus 3. 3 into minus 3 x power minus 3 minus 1, minus 9 x power minus 4, minus 9 upon x power 4. Question number third, ax square plus bx plus c. Solution, given function ax square plus bx plus c. Differential with respect to x. A d upon dx x square plus b d upon dx x plus d upon dx c. A x square, differential of x square, differentiation of x square. use of formula number x power n first. X power n, then n x n minus 1. Formula d upon dx x power n x n minus 1. n x n minus 1 plus b, differential of x equal to 1 and differential of c equal to 0. a 2a x to the power 1 plus b 0. 2ax plus b. Answer. Question number 4. Question number 4. ax power m plus b upon x power whole power n. Solution. Differential with respect to x. Differential with respect to x. a to the power m x to the power m plus b to the power n upon x to the power n. d upon dx a to the power n into x power m plus b to the power n d upon dx x to the power minus n. a to the power n into m x m minus 1 plus b to the power n, use of formula x to the power n. n x n minus 1. a to the power n into m x to the power m minus 1 minus n b to the power n x minus common n plus 1. Then m a to the power n into x to the power minus m minus 1 minus n into b to the power n upon x to the power n plus 1. Answer. Exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. Question number 5. Derivative of x 1 plus x square. Solution. differential with respect to x. X 1 plus x square x plus x cube d upon dx x plus d upon dx x cube 1 plus 3 x to the power n 3 यानी n x n minus 1 1 plus 3 x to the power 2. That answer. Question number 7. If y equal to 1 plus x upon factorial 1 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 plus dot dot, so that dy upon dx equal to y. Solution. Y equal to given y equal to 1 plus x upon factorial 1 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 plus dot dot, differential with respect to x. dy upon dx equal to d upon dx 1 plus 1 upon factorial 1 d upon dx x plus 1 upon factorial 2 d upon dx x square plus 1 upon factorial 3 d upon dx x cube. Differentiation of 1 equal to 0. Differentiation of 1 equal to 0 plus 1 into differentiation of x. Differentiation of x equal to 1 plus 1 upon factorial 2 into 2 x 2 minus 1 plus 1 upon factorial 3 expansion of factorial 3 equal to 3 2 1 into differentiation of x to the power 3 3x 3 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus expansion of factorial 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 2x power 1 plus 1 upon 6 into 3 x to the power 2 2 2 cancel 1 upon 2 1 plus x plus x square upon 2 plus dot dot, it is equal to y, and dy upon dx equal to y. Prove. homework all student will be solved following question. Find the note. Find the derivative of the question. X to the power minus 8 under root x cube three x to the power minus 2 upon 5 second question 3 upon 7 x power minus 4 x plus 1 upon x. Ax plus x square upon b. Question number third. Ax plus ax power 2 plus ax power 3 plus second ax power 7 plus 5x power 6 plus under root x.